In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix 5G not showing up on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, this is very easy to do, and you can do it on any iPhone. Now, it can be really annoying if you have mobile data, you're trying to be on 5G, and it's just not working. So the first thing you want to do is when you have mobile data turned on, you want to make sure that Wi-Fi is off because your phone is going to prioritize Wi-Fi over mobile data. So now I'm on mobile data only. As you can see, it's now showing up as 5G. But if it's showing up as 4G, even 3G or LTE, anything like that, go over to your settings, then go to mobile service. And then once you're here, click on your primary SIM. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see voice and data as one of the options. And all you want to do if it's on 4G or 5G auto, you want to switch it to 5G on, which is always going to prioritize a 5G connection over anything else every single time. And yeah, that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.